Well, good day.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel.
Yes, new episode. This one's going to be good, I hope. A little bit different, this one. In the last episode, we did the Great Ocean Road experience. Amazing,
Yes,
amazing,
yes.
amazing. However, this time we've left Port Campbell and driven nearly 3 hours west. And we're now at a town called Nelson. It's on the Glenelg River. It's actually just before the South Australian border. So we're nearly out of Victoria, but we're just still in it. And we've just booked in here at the Kaiwong Caravan Park. Beautiful, nice little caravan park just up the river from the actual township of Nelson itself. And apparently in the Glenelg River there's lots of fish.
Yes.
What is it, Bream and Mulloway?
Yes.
Mulloway. So I haven't come across a Mulloway before, so you can tell me what they're like if I don't catch one, but we're hoping to catch one.
I hope we catch lots.
Yeah, so we've set up the van. We've actually got it down to a pretty fine art now. We're just over half an hour from arriving. We have the awning out, the mat down, the tables out, the chairs out, power on, doors, windows open.
Yeah.
So, yeah, good teamwork.
Yeah.
So anyway, what we're going to do is actually get Salty off the roof of the ram, and we had the video in episode 3, I believe, of our boat loader and our portable trailer. So in this episode, we're going to take Salty off the roof of the ram, put on the portable trailer, and in actual fact, I haven't used the portable trailer on the road yet.
No.
I know how to set up and pack it up and put it away, but we haven't actually used it, so this will be good.
Yes.
So what I've actually got is I take off the DO35 hitch tongue and put on a normal caravan, the round ball one.
Yeah.
And then we can connect Salty up to that,
the
trailer. So we'll show you where we store the motor. We'll show you how easy it is to get the motor out. We will put the boat on the trailer, the motor on the trailer, load up with fishing gear, set up the rods, and head off for the afternoon.
Yes.
And hopefully
catch something.
we could be eating fish tonight.
Yes.
We've bought the flour.
Yes.
We've got some beer. We'll have to donate some beer to a worthy cause.
Yes, you will.
Not too much though.
Enough.
So stay tuned. Great episode ahead.
We gotta let the music play, 'cause life is still a mystery.
Okie doke. We've taken the boat off the loader. We've assembled the trailer, and we've put the boat on the trailer, ready to go. Now we've just connected it up. We've changed the hitch to the normal size hitch away from the DO35, and we've connected it all up. So, motor, how do you carry a motor? Well, the solution I've come up with is we've upgraded the actual toolbox on front of the caravan. We did have a toolbox at one stage, however it wasn't large enough to fit the motor. So we upgraded that before we left, and we came across this boat hoist trolley, because I've seen a few people where they've got sort of slide brackets and things to mount their motors. However, I'm going to carry nearly a 40 kilo motor to the boat. Let's try not to hurt our back. So I've come up with this. So check out how this works. This is from Boat Hoist, this one. It's from Queensland. It's amazing. So basically all it is a trolley for the motor, but also I use it to secure the motor inside the toolbox. So to get it out, we strap it down, but then you just roll it out to there. You have the little bracket that you can use to prop it up if you just want to park the trolley. And you simply roll the trolley to the boat. And then this little bracket fits there. So there's nearly a 40 kilo trolley, 40 kilo motor sitting there, nice and secure. It's travelled, well, we've done 3,000 k's already. It's sat there nice and secure on the roller wheels to get it in, and on the trolley wheels in the back. So we'll just now stick it on the back of the boat and off we go. So there you go. This is the solution I've come up with. So we can go venturing around Australia, finding all the great rivers and streams and even lakes, and go fishing and catch those elusive fish. So now the motor's on the back. I've tied the number plate on there. We're only going down the boat ramp. It's only 500 metres or so down the road, so that might get us by. I might come up with a better solution on that. But for now, we're ready to go. Let's go and catch some big bream, Natty. Yeah. Be good, wouldn't it?
Salty's first time on a portable trailer. Yippee! Let's go and catch these fish. Yeah.
Well, we put salt in the water off the trailer. Too easy. Let's go and check out this Glenelg River. Alrighty, Natty's skipper today.
Here we are.
She's found this awesome place.
Trying to fish and get that fish.
Absolutely stunning place she's found. Whether there's any fish here, time will tell.
Well, I had one bite, but it didn't stay on the line.
Had to get home.
Yeah.
So we're using squid that we picked up from Cape Patterson. We got some from Cape Patterson we're using there, and squid was good out on the river, out on the oh yeah, should have been good. We didn't catch any, but we're going to catch something here. Apparently there's bream everywhere in this river.
Yes.
So
everyone's been saying.
yes. So there we go.
Music play, 'cause life is still a mystery.
Well, we didn't catch anything yesterday, so we're back out today.
Yeah.
We've come down the mouth of the Glenelg River. The ocean is just down around that corner there. So we've just tried a little bit more. And still haven't got anything. So we're just going to work our way up the river today and just try different spots and see if we can catch that elusive fish. Caught some bait this morning. Yeah, caught some bait this morning. They said they're everywhere.
Yeah.
Let's see. Anyway, we'll give it a go, eh, Nettie?
We keep trying.
We've given up on the idea of fishing today, well, at the moment, because tried 5 spots and none will work. So I decided to come up the Glenelg River, and guess what? What, Nettie?
The South Australian border.
Yep.
Across here.
Going across the border.
Yeah.
So lucky we haven't got any fruit, vegetables or anything like that with us.
We have cheese and grapes.
No, we haven't. We've got nothing, okay? We've got nothing. Yeah, so we'll just go up here for another bit. We're still trying to run this engine in. We never made it. We bought it. We only ever got to about 7 hours at home. Busy. But now we're getting close to running it in for 10 hours. So today's the day, Natty, to get this engine finally run in.
Yeah.
So we can open up a bit. But anyway, we're in South Australia at the moment.
Yeah, we are.
We'll go a little bit further and
Doesn't seem any different to Victoria.
actually that's not the Victorian border over there, is it? Let's go and have a look over there. What's that say?
I think it does.
Does it?
I think it does.
So there you go, folks. It's pretty exciting. I'm excited. You excited, Natty?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it? We've just arrived here at Donovan's. It's the first little town up the Glenelg River. As you go over the South Australian border, the actual border was just down around there on the right hand side. Just wind down the river. And I believe the river keeps going up for a fair few k's, then actually wraps back up around to the right and go back into Victoria. So it's only a little part of it that's in South Australia. And we're just coming here for a pit stop, and we're about to head back down the river. I think the rain's starting to set in for the afternoon, so we might just call it a day and head home. Okay, we're about to put the boat away. We've had 2 days out on the Glenelg River here at Nelson, and Natty, how big was that fish?
This big.
How big?
This big.
How big?
This big.
Apparently, they're the size of the fish you can catch here.
Yes.
How big was the fish that we caught?
This big. A 0. Not even a bait was taken.
Nah. We're out there, 5 different spots.
Yes.
And
didn't catch one thing.
But we will. We're heading further west. And as we go along, we'll find those great spots.
Well, I hope so.
And we'll catch those great fish.
Yeah.
But this one
was nowhere in the river.
No, I think they were all up the other end of the river, not where we were. But anyway, that's all good.
Yeah.
We had fun.
Yeah, we had fun.
We've almost got the motor run in.
Yeah.
It was 10 hours, it's taken a long time.
We went up to the South Australian and Victorian border.
Yep.
Went across that.
It was good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, we're about to put the boat back on the ram. First of all, we'll put the outboard motor away. And I gave a bit of a wash down everything this morning, so she's looking pretty schmick again.
Yeah.
So we'll give you a quick look at how we do that. And yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. Until next time. How big's the fish going to be, Natty?
This big.
Hope so.
I hope so too. Bye.
See you guys.
City lights, keeps me up through the night. We'll leave it all. Wide awake, I hear you call. It's easy if you let it go. We take a stand in the middle of the night. So take my hand, you will never be afraid. Yeah, run away, you and me to the sea. We gotta let the music play, 'cause life is still a mystery.